Activists have petitioned the National Assembly demanding justice and accountability over the operations of the British Army Training Unit Kenya BATUK. The petition raises concerns over alleged misconduct, deaths and injuries linked to unexploded ordnance, environmental damage, treatment of Kenyan workers, and the alleged abandonment of children fathered by British soldiers. The petitioners have also cited the case of Agnes Wanjiru, whose death in Nanyuki in 2012 remains unresolved.
Even though we know for a fact that the last Defense Cooperation Agreement absolved the British nationals from being tried in the Kenyan criminal justice system. But at the ultimate end of it, we are also continuing to prosecute this case in the most powerful court. That is the People's Court, the court of the public opinion. Those who witnessed the so-called commandos, the white British soldiers murdering Agnes Wanjiru, will not forget that instance, even if the law says that they did not kill him.
Until today, the British Army continues to undertake its activities in this country, despite the cries, the outcry from the public. This is a message especially to the British High Commissioner in Kenya, that it has come a time when they have to respect the sovereignty of the Kenyan people forthwith. And this shall be judged by Kenyans according to this Defense Cooperation Agreement, how it shall be signed. If the bill is signed as it is, then we shall take the necessary steps now to start initiating a process of the removal of the BATUK army from Kenya.
For the agreement to be signed before the matters it raises are resolved, and pray that the House treat this petition with urgency the moment it demands. We draw the attention of the House to the following: that Agnes Wanjiru, a 21-year-old mother, disappeared in March 2012 and was found dead in a septic tank 3 months later. 14 years later, no person has been convicted of her killing.
Ahead in sports, Team Kenya